Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will study rank of matrix. We will start with definition of rank of a matrix. The matrix A with order m cross n is said to be rank of R if it satisfies two conditions. First condition is at least one minor of order R is non-vanishing and every minors of order R plus 1 vanishes. It means that the rank of matrix A is the highest order of its non-vanishing minor and it is denoted by row of A. Now we will consider a simple matrix of order 3 by 3 and we will find the rank of this matrix by using the definition. If the rank of matrix is R, then there are two conditions. First condition is at least one minor of order R is non-vanishing and every minor of order R plus 1 vanishes. So what is meant by minor? We already seen the definition of minor in our previous video. Now we will consider this matrix. Then the minor of this matrix is nothing but the determinant of all submatrices of a given matrix. Every matrix is a submatrix of itself. Therefore, this determinant is the minor of a given matrix. So now this determinant is of order 3 and this is the minor of a given matrix, and remaining minors are obtained by just eliminating rows and the columns. It means that this matrix has 9 elements and each element has the corresponding minor, and that is obtained by just deleting row and the column in which that element lies. Now we will consider the example. Suppose we will consider this first element 1, then the minor corresponding to that element is obtained by just deleting the first row and the first column. So what will be the minor? This is the minor and this is of order 2. Now this matrix has the one minor of order 3 and 9 minors of order 2. Now we will solve the minor of order 3 firstly. How to solve this minor? Just solve this determinant. So firstly we have to consider the first element in the first row and delete the first column and the first row. After deleting the first column and the first row, take the cross multiplication of remaining elements. So 4 into 9 is 36 minus 8 into 6 is 48. So 36 minus 48 is minus 12 and minus 12 into 1 is what? Minus 12. This is your first element. Now similarly just consider the second element in the first row. If we consider the second element in the first row, then delete the first row and the second column. After deleting the first row and the second column, the remaining elements are 2, 6, 7 and 9. Again take the cross multiplication. 2 into 9 is 18 and 7 into 6 is minus 42. Now consider the third element, put the positive sign. It means this 3 into bracket, again delete this first row and the third column. After deleting the first row and third column, the remaining elements are 2, 4, 7 and 8. Take the cross multiplication. 2 into 8 is 16 and minus 7 into 4 is 28. So 16 minus 28 into 3 is nothing but minus 36. Now this will be minus 12 minus 36, that is minus 48, and this is what? Plus 48. That will become a 0. So it means that minor of order 3 vanishes. Now we will consider the minor of order 2 for the given matrix. So now simply consider this minor. So value of this minor is just obtained by cross multiplication. So 4 into 9 is what? 36 minus 8 into 6 is 48. 36 minus 48 is what? Minus 12. It means we got the one minor of order 2 which is non-vanishing and all the minors or every minor of order 3 are vanishing. So it means that I have the at least one minor of order 2 which is non-vanishing and every minors of order R plus 1, that is 3, vanishes. Why we say that every minor? Because this matrix has only one minor of order 3 and that is vanishing. It means every minor of order 3 vanishes and we got one minor of order 2, which is non-vanishing. It means the rank of given matrix is what? 2. This is very simple definition, and very simply we can find the rank of a matrix. In next video we will find the rank of a matrix by using canonical form, which is very simple to find the rank of a matrix, and we can find the rank of a matrix without knowing the definition of rank of a matrix. We will see in the next video. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.